Make your children not be like Fubara. Primate Ayodele dey mock Rivers Governor on Wike. Welcome to Sinok Media. Country people, we thank una say una dey view our channel. But if you never subscribe, we dey urge you to do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go alert you of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, Primate Ayodele, the spiritual leader of the INRI Evangelical Spiritual Church, now one prophet or priest or pastor, any name when you go call am, when e be like say a ministry connect with politics. Because if you follow in trajectory, you go see say from one revelation to another, one prophecy to another, either e dey prophesy why Tinubu no go sleep, or Tinubu re-election bid dey for jeopardy, or Israel versus Iran, no third world war, God go avert am, or Tinubu greater than Tafawa Balewa and Awolowo, or compendium of him prophecies warning to the nations, or why Tinubu not do this. He call Ribadu 100 times to warn am, but he disregard am. Why Tinubu go dey wary of potential coup attempt. No prophecy or revelation Elijah Ayodele never give for politics. So e be like say na him dey head the prophetic political arm of the heaven vision. Now e don enter the realm of mockery as e don dey mock publicly the suspended Rivers Governor Siminalayi Fubara because of a recent settlement with the estranged political godfather Nyesom Wike. Primate Ayodele, the spiritual leader of the INRI Evangelical Spiritual Church, he don mock the governor while im dey allege say im don finally bow to the supremacy of Wike, who be the minister of the Federal Capital Territory. You go recall say Wike and Fubara dey get issues 3 months after Fubara become governor over who go control the political template for Rivers State. And Wike come allege say Fubara allow him enemies to control am, to tell am wetin he go do against am, and that him go fight to finish. Now that fight now come dey go on until recently when President Tinubu come fit resolve the logjam. Ordinarily, that Tinubu fit settle Fubara and Wike supposed to excite any man of God. But surprisingly, Primate Ayodele so he don choose to use the situation to mock Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State because of his recent comments saying go work with the estranged political godfather Nyesom Wike. You go recall say Wike, the immediate past governor of the state and current minister of the Federal Capital Territory, a quarrel with Fubara, it all last for the past 2 years. Like we talked before, because of the control of political structure for the state. But as they come agree recently to settle, to work together for the peace of the state, claims come say the governor, among other deeds, he agree say he no go contest for a second term for office. Although neither the governor or the minister or Martins and Mewule, the speaker of the assembly, government to talk wetin they actually agree to. Even one aide of the governor, he said the governor shun am when he ask am the question. So all those talk na the realm of speculation, but that na wetin don form the template for prophet or primate Ayodele to take attack the governor. As im dey react to the brokered peace between the governor and im predecessor, Ayodele, for one video for im X page, formerly Twitter, e come talk say e don earlier warn the governor make e no start fight when e no go fit finish. While e dey mock the governor, the cleric come pray for im congregation say make their children not be like Fubara, and the church members come echo amen. E come claim too say the governor supporters dem don desert am. This position of Primate Ayodele, so why many see am say e dey make light of a serious situation, others, especially Christians, they say e dey unbecoming of a priest or a pastor or a cleric or whatever name you choose to call am to dey dance this macabre dance for the open space. If you give am message and e no heed the message, e say no be im go bring about your glee. After all, the Bible encourage people to seek peace with all men. So if im don go wrong as the prodigal come return back, e no dey enough. So after all, the prodigal father, he received the pikin. So why you come dey make a jest of the governor, say im don accept to reconcile because you warn am say make e no start the fight? That will not tell well of the posture of Primate Ayodele. That Primate Ayodele e not behave as men of God supposed to behave, and that e don dey make im prophecies like a merchant, that e dey curious say for e must get something to say for every political situation wey dey go on for the country. Some observers dey say they never hear any message when he preach on salvation and the souls of sinners, but every day they dey inundated with one prophecy on one politician or the other. Abi a ministry from God na to deal with politicians? Then that one na very curious ministry, because people dey wonder why e be say im mouth no dey comot from the prophetic realm for inside politics, that even the thing that they go beyond the shores of Nigeria, that they even dey see prophecies for Donald Trump, that the man of God make e take am calmly, make him focus on the ministry when God give am, and make him dey preach the message of the cross instead of these divisive tendencies wey he don adopt, that to dey mock a governor say he go settle even if he accept terms when e dey unpalatable to am. He say e no reach to elicit the kind of response wey Primate Elijah Ayodele dey do for the open space. He say make he call himself to order, so that make e no make people come dey disrespect men of God and prophecies concerning people.